Hey y'all, Ms. Claus decided to start work early today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a peppermint smoothie bowl. This smoothie bowl is going to leave you feeling healthy and merry. It's all about the little things. So to make this smoothie bowl, it's so easy. All that you're going to need is, I have 2.5 cups of frozen bananas, 2 cups of frozen strawberries, and I like my Vitamix. So you're going to simply put these ingredients into your Vitamix with your milk of choice. I'm going to be using almond milk today. Okay, so now in order to make this, we're just going to put everything into the Vitamix. I'm going to put my soft fruit on the bottom, so usually that's going to be the bananas. I'm going to top it with these strawberries. And here I have some almond milk. And I'm going to add a little bit of peppermint, just to give it that flavor. Just a little bit is all you need. And I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and mix. And when I do this, I put it all the way on its highest setting on the Vitamix. Okay, now here comes the fun part. Now I'm just going to crush the peppermint. Okay, so now I'm going to dump the peppermint into the smoothie. And blend. Okay, so now I'm just going to rim the glass. I dip it in a little bit of lemon juice, and then put it in the peppermint. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and put our smoothie in. It's perfectly thick. Looks excellent. There you go. There is your Christmas peppermint smoothie bowl. And I'm going to put just a little bit extra on top. And I'm going to do one because I have a little bit of leftovers. So I'm going to do the same thing on this. I'm just going to wet the rim of the glass with a little bit of lime juice. And you just go ahead and get it all around the rim. Perfect. And then we're going to top it off with the peppermint smoothie. Now that is festive as... And I'm going to put a little bit on top. And then I'm just going to go ahead and top it off with a couple of festive sprinkles. Oh, that turned out perfect. Now that's what I call a Merry Christmas.